So here is how I used Google Flow Storyboard to create a masterpiece. I'm going to be showing you in this video how I was able to create these images using Google Flow Storyboard with just a single prompt. All right. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is to go over to your browser and type Google Flow, which I already have on my search here. I'm just going to click on it. So the next thing, you're going to come over here and click on Google Flow AI Creative Studio for videos and images. All right, so if you don't have an account yet, all you need to do is to sign up. And when you are signed up, I'm already signed up. When you are signed up, you're going to come over here to New Project. So from here, you're going to come over to Tools and click on Tools right here. So we are here now. Tell you what, we're going to go over to scroll down and look for Storyboard. Okay, so here we have Storyboard right here. All right, now that we are here, welcome to Storyboard. So you're going to come over here. You can see it says choose your storyboard style. Click on this drop down arrow. So you can either choose a 3D animation, a charcoal, claymation, concept sketch, or realistic. So you're going to choose which type of animation or creation you want to do. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be doing the 3D animation. You can also do realistic, you can also do 3D animation. So then click on get started. So you can see right here we have the script, we have the assets, and we have the storyboard. So these are all the things that you are going to be working with. So you're first of all going to create your script, and then the second stage will be to create your assets and then the storyboard. So you're going to come over to this box right here. Describe the kind of story you want to create, that you want to make. So here is the story idea I gave. I said princess with the golden hair of light and the colorful dragon. That is it. And with this prompt, you're going to get all your scripts generated, your assets and your storyboard. So I'm going to click enter. So here we have our script. So we have the characters, you can see we have everything set. Then the next thing, we're going to go over to assets to generate our assets. So you can as well generate your characters one after the other, but for me, I'm going to use the autofill character. So when you choose the autofill character, it is going to automatically generate the characters for you, so you don't have to bother yourself generating. So I'm going to generate here. These are the characters, and then for the locations, I'm going to autofill as well. And then for the props right here, I'm going to autofill. You can just go ahead and allow it to generate all the characters for you, and then you wait for them to load. So now we have all our images ready. So all our characters are ready. Here are the locations, and here we have the props, you can see. So everything is all set. Now just in case you don't like any of the images and you want to regenerate, all you have to do is to click on the image. You can come over here, you can click on create image, and it will regenerate for you, to regenerate another one for you. Let's just wait for it to load. So here the image has been regenerated. So this is the previous one, and this is the one we just generated. You can see the difference. Okay. All right. So okay, maybe I'll have to go with this one. All right. Okay. Now I also want to change my princess. Let me see if I can generate a better one. Let's go ahead. Okay, so we have a new image. This is the new image, and this is the previous one. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's move forward. Now, the next thing, we're going to create a storyboard right here. So you come over to storyboard and autofill again. Autofill. Autofill again. So we're going to wait for all the images to be generated for us. Okay, so here we have all our images ready. You can check them out. You can see. So these are the locations. So we have everything all set up. So this is how you can generate your storyboard using Google Flow. Okay, so if this tutorial helps you, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever new video comes up. If you have any challenge, kindly drop it in the comment section and I'll give you a response. Also, I'm going to drop the link of our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group so that you can join and meet with other creators, ask questions if you are finding it difficult in any area of your AI journey, and you get a response. So until I see you again in my next video, bye.